What up, everybody? Out here in the backyard, getting ready to do some planking at my clay pigeons using my Crosman 1077 semi-automatic CO2 pellet gun. It is in 177. I've got 3 clay pigeons down there. I don't know, 10 yards maybe. Let's have some fun. This flew all the way back up here. Let's go take a look. All right, put a little box down there to try to catch as much of it as I can. It's the only little bit that stays surviving, basically. And this is that the target thing, the little like DIY reusable target that I'm using as a backstop. Nothing going through there. So yeah, just real quick, just out here because I didn't go down, I haven't been down to the conservation club in a couple weeks. I felt like trying this stuff out. You guys got any questions, let me know. Talk to y'all later.